Yeah, man. I'm gonna show y'all how I do spare ribs at my house. You hear me? I'm just gonna give y'all a quick breakdown. This video gonna be so quick, but if you smart, you gonna learn something today. Rinse your ribs, rinse all them bone fragments off, all that juice, whatever they have in that bag, rinse all that off. And then you're gonna put it in a 5% water brine. With this water brine, it's gonna give you a nice seasoning to the bone. You're gonna have to use ChatGPT to figure it out. And then you're gonna soak it for 2 to 4 hours, no more than that. And then after you pull them out, you're gonna pat them ribs dry, because you don't want nothing in the way of the seasoning that you wanna put on your meat. You wanna get it dry. Then you're gonna throw that mustard on there. Whatever mustard you got in the house, you're gonna throw that mustard on them ribs and coat it on there real good. You don't want it too thick, but you want something for that seasoning to stick to. Come with your dry rub, whatever dry rub that you like, whatever seasons you like, you put that on your ribs. These right here is Iraqi spice and Fraser spice. These my own blends right here. And then we're gonna slap them joints on the grill at 250. 250 is the ideal temperature to me. If you got a pellet grill, you can set it at 250 and walk off. But if you like me, I do mine old school, you know what I'm saying? I cook mine like you driving a Mustang with a stick. You gotta be there. You gotta watch it the whole way. But I do a combination of charcoal and applewood. And then I had some pork chops that I had just sitting in the refrigerator. So I said, mighty well here, throw them pork chops on there too. Look at that gorgeous color. It's gonna take you about 6 whole hours to get these things just right, cooking at 250. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna pull them off at 195, because once you pull them off at 195, they still gonna be cooking to their ideal temperature of 200, 205. And this is what they gonna look like when they done. When they all done, they gonna look like this right here. You heard me? Looking so good, so moist, so ready for you. See the inside juicy, you heard me? Because that brine had did the work. And I thank y'all for watching this video, man. I appreciate every time y'all view any of our videos. You heard